Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. You know, now every time I head out, I get tons of compliments and questions asking how do you take care of your curly hair? Don't they get messy? But हमेशा से ऐसे नहीं था ना. I remember my teenage self with frizzy curly hair, unable to manage it, and people commenting, "Beta, straightening क्यों नहीं कर लेती? You look so pretty." Being a kid, I actually thought my curls were my worst enemy, and I did everything in my power to make them straight. I tried straightening iron, clothing iron. I even did chemical treatment, which was so damaging. I actually started losing my hair, and that was the turning point in my life. I researched about it and finally learned how to take care of my beautiful curly hair. I know a lot of curly wavy girls in India still face this, but you don't have to anymore because today I'll be sharing my curly hair routine using Dove's Beautiful Curl range. Thank you, Dove, for partnering in today's video. Dove's Beautiful Curls range is infused with Tri Moisture Essence with aloe vera extracts, glycerin and shea butter, and is free from parabens, sulphates and dyes. Let me show you guys how to take care of your beautiful curls. It's been a week since my last wash day and my hair is super dry and frizzy with lots of tangles. As you can see, it's super flat as well. Let's wash it. First step, I'm gonna use Dove Beautiful Curls Hydrating Shampoo to cleanse my scalp. It's infused with Tri Moisture Essence like shea butter, aloe extract and glycerin that helps to keep your curls hydrated. The texture is creamy and it lathers really well. Take a pump of the product and gently massage it on your scalp. This range is specially crafted for Indian wavy curly hair. Also, if you have colored hair, don't worry, it's suitable for this as well. My scalp feels clean and hydrated because of its ingredients, and it also provides a slight slip, which I love. Next, I'm gonna use Dove Beautiful Curls Detangling Conditioner. The texture is very creamy. I'm gonna take a few pumps of this and apply it all over the length of my hair. Apply some water if you feel your hair is drying out. And next, I'm going to detangle it. Always work in sections. It locks in moisture to give you tangle-free, smooth and velvety soft curls that you love running your fingers through, and is also suitable for colored curls. It provides amazing slip and it literally took me a minute to detangle. Wow. Let's move on to step number 3. No, it's not a mistake. There's an alternative step number 3 for that extra pampering. A lot of times when your hair is exposed to harsh chemicals, pollution and light, they need extra nourishment and care. For this, you can use Dove Beautiful Curls Deep Moisture Miracle Hair Mask for that extra nourishment. Take a good amount of the product and massage it on the length of your hair. It's hydrating and carrying ingredients that go deep and nourish your hair. This helps in repairing your damaged curls and reduces dryness and controls frizz from within. Leave it on for about 2 to 5 minutes, not more than that, and then rinse it off. My hair feels so soft and moisturized after this. Now, to make your hair the real showstopper, I'm gonna apply the Dove Beautiful Curls Defining Gel. I love that the texture is so lightweight, it won't weigh your curls down. I'm gonna take a few pumps of it and apply it all over my hair. Make sure you cover all the strands, and then I'm gonna comb once just to get the knots out, if any. It is alcohol free and comes with the promise of intense hydration that makes sure your curls remain defined for up to 48 hours. I like to style my hair upside down. It gives more volume near the roots when it's dry. And then shake your roots and start scrunching. Give it a good scrunch. That's it. That's how simple it is. Now I'm gonna let my hair dry completely. I'll be back with the final results. I am back and my hair is 100% dry, and look at the volume near my roots. The curls are defined, soft, moisturized and frizz-free. Look at that difference in the before and after. Now you know my curly hair secret. What's yours? Comment down below. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I really enjoyed using the Dove Beautiful Curls range. I feel it's a great initiative by the brand to make curls inclusive and help millions of girls in India. So let's join the hashtag Curly and Proud movement. If you want to try the products out, I'll leave all the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!